Welcome back to another hair review video. Thanks to Wiggins for sending us this wig. We are gonna go inside, okay? Oh, it feels heavy. I want to go through the stuff that I get first. So we got a head tie to tie down that lace, edge brush, lashes, HD cap, a bag, and we got a lace band. Now this is the wig. It's HD lace, of course, medium cap size, 24 inches, body wave. Let me make sure. Oh, this is how the wig comes. Yes, the knot is already bleached. Guys, do you see the plucking of this hair? Oh my god, what lace! Wiggins, OMG. Listen, y'all see that? This is literally nothing. What lace? Look at that lace. Oh, and then we have curls in the wig already. This is a natural color wig, but it is beautiful. You see the curl pattern. All right, this is it, y'all. This is it. Like I said, it is 24 inches. Y'all seen that lace? This is the wig. I absolutely love it thus far. Oh, guys, it's no joke. You see that? There's curls. So if you're a person who is not a curler, you cannot curl your hair, then this wig is for you. Let's go in. It has a comb at the back and two at the sides. Also have a band, which is you can take it off, detachable, and it also can go if you want it more snug. So basically, if your head is big, you're good. If it's small, you're also good. Then the knot is already pre-bleached. Absolutely love that. So you can just install this wig. As you guys can see, you see that the knots are already bleached. Absolutely beautiful. We are gonna get on and install this beauty right here. Let's go. I absolutely love it. I just don't know what to do. But let's brush out the... Ooh, look at that curl. This is absolutely quality. Y'all see that? What I am going to do is we're going to bring the hair completely back. We're going to use the hot comb. Now I have to show you guys how beautiful this is. It feels super soft. Now we're going to use a hot comb. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use this wig. We're going to do something real natural. So I'm going to ensure that all the hair is going backwards. Like so. because of layers. We are gonna go in and I am going to style it my way. This wig, you're a beginner, this is the wig for you, because there's literally nothing that you need to do. Look at those curls, and the wig already comes with the curl. Knowing me, I'm gonna go in and create my pattern, which we're gonna follow the same steps of this wig. I use heat protectant, so we're just gonna go in with that. All right, guys, we are adding curls like I told you guys, and I'm so particular with adding these curls. I just want to show you guys how I do it, because I'm doing the hair or the wig a different type of way, hence why we're adding curls. I'm gonna do this in two. Alright guys, this is the after. We are gonna let the hair sit, and then I will do the install. So this is it. Guys, I have to talk before I go further. No, this wig, it's not even a task. It is so easy. Wiggins did their thing. When I tell you, look at that. This is an everyday wear. I'm not even gonna make any part in this wig. I cannot wait. It is bouncy, it is full, and there's no hair coming from it. If you're looking for something natural, Black Friday is right, like literally right there, next door. Grab this wig. You don't have to get this length, but grab this wig. Guys, I feel like a celebrity. That's how they like to wear their hair, with these curls. I had to. Let's see. Oh my God. We're gonna go in and make some baby hair. Oh, guys, are you kidding me? We're gonna make this so natural, some natural, supernatural baby hair. Alright guys, let's get into this wig. Ooh, natural. So natural. Guys, this is an everyday wear. So with that being said, we're doing no part. The curls are perfect. You can do whatever you want with this wig. Feel me? You can go to any side. Now it is 24 inches HD lace, 13x4. Make sure you know that Black Friday they have the biggest deal. Make sure you check the description bar down below to save some money to receive a free gift. Make sure you visit their website, Wiggins Hair. Perfect. Like, where is the lace? I'm not this. No, this is what you call everyday. Like, thank you again to Wiggins Hair. Check the description. Let's get into this beauty. I'm gonna show it to you some more. Let's go, but